Hello, everyone. In this video, we will discuss volume relationships and the conversion of units, which are fundamental in civil engineering surveying. Let's dive into the various units and their conversions with the help of the provided visual guide. 1 cubic meter is equal to 35.315 cubic feet. This conversion is essential when dealing with large volumes of materials, such as concrete or soil, where measurements may be taken in cubic meters, but specifications or quantities might need to be reported in cubic feet. 1 cubic foot is equal to 0.0283 cubic meters. When working with smaller volumes or when converting measurements taken in cubic feet to the metric system, this conversion is highly useful. Cubic meters to liters. 1 cubic meter is equal to 1,000 liters. This is a straightforward conversion often used when dealing with liquid volumes or smaller-scale projects where liters are a more practical unit of measurement. Cubic feet to gallons. 1 cubic foot is equal to 7.48 gallons. This conversion is particularly relevant in projects involving water supply or storage, where volumes might be measured in cubic feet but reported or required in gallons. Gallons to liters. 1 gallon is equal to 4.546 liters. This conversion is crucial for understanding capacities in both the imperial system, gallons, and the metric system, liters, especially in fluid dynamics and storage solutions. Understanding these conversions is vital for material estimation. Converting between different units helps in estimating the amount of materials required for construction projects. Cost calculation. Accurate conversions ensure proper budgeting and cost analysis. Surveying accuracy. Ensuring precise measurements and conversions is key to the integrity of engineering surveys and reports. Regulatory compliance. Different regions may use different measurement systems. Being adept at conversions helps in adhering to local regulations. Follow for more civil and construction-based knowledge.